Hello, welcome back to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Errol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will continue replicating this Google Analytics dashboard in Looker Studio. Now, let's create this key event funnel in our demo tab. To do that, first, we need to copy this block to create a separate section. As you can see, it just flow outside of our page views. To prevent this, we can either reduce its height, or we can play with the page settings. To do that, we can do a right click on this current page settings, and then click on height, and let's do it 1000 pixels. Let's see if it fits in. Yes, it does. All right, now that I need to add a chart, and this will be a funnel chart. Funnel chart is a recent addition to Looker Studio. We can select among these funnels, and I will select this smoothed bar. Okay, I added it. We called it key event funnel. To do that, I can add this text, and let's say key event funnel. Can select all the texts, make it bold, put it in the center, reduce its height a bit, and put it into the place. Good. Now I can click on these settings and to show you what we have here. In the setup section, we can see that the dimension is this channel group. So we do not want to do that. We want to use events in here, and we want to use this metrics as completion of those events. So you can come over here, see that what we have. So event names and event counts. Let's go back. Since key events are essentially events, we can use events as these selections and event count. All right. The problem is that now we ended up with all the events that we have. And it turned out that in Google Analytics, the key events are all e-commerce related events. Thus, I will use one filter to filter out the rest of the events, but only select those key events. Here you can see I added this key events filter. So these are the details, key events, and it looks this dimension is key event of being true or false. Let's do the same here. Add a filter, and let's say that key event. And I will select that key event equals to true. It's a binomial variable. The data comes from, again, Google Analytics. As you can see, view item, adding to the cart, and purchase information are listed here. See what we can do. And we ended up with the funnel already, but we can play with it. We can add or remove data labels. We can show the data labels as percentages, numbers, or numbers plus percentages, which is I preferred. We can show these percentages of mugs. So add to cart is 15% of time. Those who view the items add to carts. And 1.67% of time viewed items are being purchased. We can think of it like that. So feel free to play with these selections to see what's happening. Percentages of previous, if I do that, so we can see 10% of adding cart events ended up with purchases. So that's 2% of max. All right, this is it for this video. And for more Looker Studio tips, feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you like the tutorial, please like it. And if you want to get more tips and thoughts about data for marketers, you can subscribe to my bi-weekly newsletter. In the following video, we will continue replicating the funnel, replicating the dashboard. This time we will add this pie chart for devices. See you in the next video.